natural cornrows plus beads, beginner friendly. Hello darlings, so for today I'll be showing you a simple protective natural cornrow hairstyle on my natural hair with beads. It's low tension, winter friendly, and it is perfect if you want to protect your natural hair for 1 to 2 weeks. Start off, very important, I keep my hair prep very simple. I just use a moisturizer and I'm going to use this heat protectant because I want to give a light blowout before starting the braiding process proper. So after giving it a thorough blowout, this is how it looks like, and I'm ready to start the braiding process. So these are the tools I'll be using for the braiding process. I'm having my red one wax here. I slip it over the magnetic wicks band as you can see in the video. Then I go ahead with my rat tail comb to give my hair some parting in the middle because I intend to go in for 10 cornrows, so 5 on the left and 5 on the right. So in the course of parting, I always use this red one wax to help me give me some clean parts, although it's a little bit kind of difficult to achieve this when doing it on yourself as opposed to when I'm doing it on some models or clients of mine. So when I was done, I put away the hair that I'm not going to work with. So I'm going to start on the left side. So I'm going to put my hair in a loose twist to enable it to stay a little bit straight as much as possible. Then I put away my edges. Since my edges are quite fry, I don't want to braid them. Then I start the braiding process on my left side. So I'm going to just give 5 rows on each side. So this is how I begin from the very left side. You use your clip-ins, and I go again with my red one wax to make sure that it's going to help me facilitate the braiding process. I don't want the cornrows too tight. Remember, it's a protective hairstyle, so you have to be very, very gentle in the course of braiding. I'm not going in for stitch braids here. I'm not going in for a very, very sleek looking hairstyle. I just want something easy going that is going to protect my hair for 1 week and tension free. So pay attention here very closely. So when you start off with 3 braids at the front, as you proceed backwards, you grab a little piece from the back and add it to the one to the front, and you keep on going like that. You add a little piece from the back, you bring it to the one to the front, and you have to keep your fingers really pretty close to your scalp so that it can stay very, very firm. So that's just it. You keep on repeating the same process throughout the entire hair. So I'm just simply going to do it very, very simple. 5 cornrows straight to the back, and since I did not want it to look quite boring, I'm going to add some beads at the very end. So stay tuned and keep on watching. One important tip when you're braiding your hair as a beginner, you have to keep your fingertips very, very close to your scalp, especially if you're very sensitive and you want it to be firm, but at the same time you don't want it to be tight. So the closer your fingertips are to your scalp, the easier it will be for you to pull off that clean looking cornrows without pulling too much. I do refined hairstyles tailored to you, not only on myself but as well on models or clients of mine. That being said, you'll be expecting hairstyle transformations as well.
smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Hands collide like waves on the shore. Every touch leaves me craving more. Eyes meet, worlds' colors collide with you. Love's where I reside. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Even in dark skies, your light remains through every storm. You ease my pain, a rhythm of hearts. No need to pretend, this love story will never end. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free.
If you are new here, my channel is all about natural hair care. I give tips on how to take care of your 40 natural hair, especially.
On the shore, every touch leaves me craving more. Eyes meet, worlds' colors collide with you. Love's where I reside. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Even in dark skies, your light remains through every storm. You ease my pain, a rhythm of hearts. No need to pretend, this love story will never end. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the
This hairstyle can last 1 to 2 weeks and is perfect on the scalp, especially when you take proper care of it. Let me know if you wear this hairstyle and comment down below if you like such hairstyles, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural hair care and natural hairstyle inspiration.